Hi everyone, my name is Anja. I'm an artist living in Sweden. I usually make art in the form of illustration and painting, and I also like making Instagram filters. Today I want to share with you some very simple technique you can use to get started. I'm gonna make a filter like this. So this is the mask that we're going to make today. It's very simple, it takes like 3 minutes, no more. I open my Spark AR Studio. And there, create new, I choose face mask, double click. Now here I will do so that you see my face like this. Hello, that's me. Let's make the screen a bit bigger. Ooh, like that. So now this is going to be a super easy thing to do. This is going to be very basic. We will just go to replace me texture, and there we will choose replace, and I will choose a painting of mine, a digital painting that I made recently. Then I don't really like this, like, I don't know, like this white. Why is it so white? It's not supposed to be this white, but it's because of the material. So if you look out over here, over there, oh, that's weird. Ooh. Ooh, okay. So if you look over there at the materials, you see face paint matte. We click there, and then we go up there. There we go. We go up there, and we look at the shader type. Right now it's physically based. You can, test around stuff. It's flat, but it loses the texture. And we take the texture again. It's like this. But I think face paint is my thing here. Is the thing that I like most here. Yeah, that's how it looks. Pretty cool, huh? I think it's already pretty, but you could test out different things. We can change the opacity of it, so it's just like, just subtle, very subtle. Maybe you want to have a little bit more. Or brightness, like that. Or like this. I don't know, how was it before? That was okay, 17. Yeah, and there we already have it. Pretty cool filter for your Instagram. But you can make it even more exciting if you would wish to do that. So you can go again there to the texture, and you will click on new animation sequence. And in that animation sequence, you choose a flow, like the same painting that I just used before, and it creates an animation from there. And it becomes more weird. And maybe it's more exciting for you this way. Like this. I'm not sure if I like my painting in this way, so I think I will delete the animation sequence. I will delete the animation sequence here, and I will go back to my materials down there. Materials, and I choose texture replace me. And we're back. And we're back to this beautiful mask. I think it passes well with my sweater. Now I will show you how you can export it. You can click File, and you can save your work if you want to continue working it later, for example. Also, you can click on Export, and there it will show you the size of it, and the smaller the size, the better. Bigger files are going to work worse on the mobile devices, so you want to have it as small as possible. So keep your textures, your paintings, whatever you use, small. And then when you're ready here, you just click Export and choose where you're going to export it. And then when you have the bundle file, you go to facebook.com Spark AR Hub. And there you can click, you can have your own account there, and then you can upload effect. Click there, and you add your file here. You choose if it's going to be Facebook or it's going to be for Instagram. You give it some name, you give it some icon, and then you can continue You can post this way, you can post it to your Instagram, but it's gonna take some time for Facebook to review it. Or you can actually get just like a link which you can use to test your filter on your phone. And I think that's something that you want to do before you continue with publishing your filter. So that was my tutorial. I'm going to save this filter in my Instagram, and you are free to follow me there, and then you will also get this filter, and you can also test it and come back. I'll have more tutorials like this, I promise. Okay, that was it. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please check out my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.